Welcome to Ride Review. Today we're diving into the 2025 Fiat Ducato Motorhome, a versatile and practical choice for those who love the open road and the freedom to explore. If you're looking for a comfortable, capable, and reliable motorhome, stick around, we've got all the details you need. Let's start with the key features. The 2025 Ducato Motorhome is designed with both drivers and travelers in mind. It offers a range of configurations to suit different needs, from family trips to solo adventures. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.2-liter Multijet II diesel engine, delivering up to 180 horsepower. It's efficient yet powerful, ensuring you have enough muscle to handle long drives, even when fully loaded. Paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, it promises smooth shifting and a comfortable drive, whether you're on highways or winding country roads. The performance aspect of the Ducato stands out in its fuel efficiency. Given its size, the Ducato manages to balance power and economy, making it a top choice for long-distance travelers. The suspension is tuned for comfort, meaning you'll feel stable even on rougher terrains. Plus, with its front-wheel drive system, it offers better handling and ease of parking compared to rear-wheel drive competitors. Now on to the design elements. Inside, the Ducato Motorhome feels like a small apartment on wheels. It boasts a spacious, ergonomic cabin, complete with adjustable captain's chairs, a user-friendly dashboard, and a large 10-inch infotainment screen with navigation, smartphone integration, and real-time traffic updates. Behind the driver's area, the living space is thoughtfully laid out, offering comfortable seating, a compact yet functional kitchen, and sleeping areas that can be adapted depending on your chosen layout. One of the unique selling points of the 2025 Ducato Motorhome is its advanced driver assistance technology. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and emergency braking make long trips safer and less stressful. And for those who love their gadgets, the Ducato also includes an optional solar panel system for off-grid adventures. Now let's talk price. The 2025 Fiat Ducato Motorhome starts at around $45,000, offering fantastic value for a motorhome of this caliber. Before we wrap up, here's your daily update on this vehicle. Did you know the 2025 model comes with an enhanced thermal insulation package, making it ideal for year-round use, even in colder climates? That's right, comfort, no matter the season. That's it for today's review. Thanks for tuning in to Ride Review. And be sure to check back tomorrow for more updates on the Ducato Motorhome.